Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to your favorite subject, mathematics. And today's topic is measuring length. So we are going to learn a measuring length by our body parts. Okay, so today we are going to learn to measure a length of the thing by using our body parts. The first one comes hand span, the next one palm, next cubit, foot span and arm span. Okay, now let's see the first example of hand span. Okay, now let's start to find out the length of the whiteboard by using hand span. So here is a hand span. You can see here, you can see a thumb finger, index finger and middle finger, ring finger and little finger. So by using hand span, we are going to measure the length of the whiteboard. So from here to the start to end, you have to measure the length of the board. Okay, to measure the length of the board, you have to use a little finger and thumb finger. Okay, now let's start to measure the board, the length of the board. Okay, so start 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, not too much, that is not end of the 4, but that is we can consider as a 4. Okay, yes. So this is what we call a hand span. This is what we call a hand span. Using a hand span, we can measure the length of the things. So the length of the board is 4 hand span. Yes or no? 4 hand span. The next one comes palm. Okay, the next one comes palm. So now let's measure the length of the whiteboard by using palm, by using a palm. So this is a palm, children. By using a palm, we are going to measure the length of the whiteboard. Okay, start 1, the end, put your mark, 2, 3, and we can consider as a 4 and 4.5. Okay, so the total length of the board by using palm is 4.5. We can say 4.5 palm. The next one is cubit. C-U-B-I-T, cubit. Okay, C-U-B-I-T, cubit. Now let's do the same thing, that is measuring a length of the whiteboard by using a cubit. So this is from here to here, we say a cubit. Okay, now let's start to measure the length of the whiteboard using cubit. Okay, yes, you can mark here 1. From there only you have to start the next one. Yes, it's almost 2. We can say a 2. So we can say the length of the whiteboard by using cubit is 2 cubit. Okay, 2 cubit. The next one comes, foot span. F-O-O-T-S-P-A-N, foot span. F-O-O-T-S-P-A-N, foot span. Now let us measure the some length of the room by using foot span. Okay, now let's start to measure the length of the room. So now I am going to measure from this box to this box. Okay, I am going to measure the length of this floor to this side. Okay, I am going to measure the length of this room, but only I am taking a 2 box. Okay, just for the example. Okay, now let's start from this line. Keep on the line. Yes, so this is a foot span. We'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is going to end this line, that is 6. So the total of this 2 box length is from here to here. Okay, the length of this 2 box is 6 foot span. Okay, how much, children? 6 foot span. The next one comes arm span. ARMSPAN. Arm span. Now let's see the example for arm span. So here I am going to measure the length of the wall by using arm span. Okay, now let's start to measure the length of the wall. So this is your arm span. Okay, children, from here to here we call a arm span. Okay, now let's start to measure the length of this wall. So from starting to this is a 1 arm span. Let's put your mark. Then let's start from there itself. Okay. Yes, here it is. Yes. 1 arm span, 2 arm span. Yes. Okay. So half, it comes a half. So total we can say a 2.5 arm span. Okay. The length of the wall is 2.5 arm span. So here we have completed the measuring length of the board by using hand span, palm and cubit, and we have used a foot span by measuring the floor, and after that we have used arm span by measuring the length of the wall. Okay, so these are the body parts we are using to measure a length of the different things. We can use a measuring a different things. So that is hand span, palm, cubit, foot span and arm span. Okay, so now let's move to the exercise. So here my desk is dash palms long. So in the last year we were in the school and we have measured the desk because we were in a school and we had a desk. So here I have a answer that my desk is dash palms long. So palm means you have to use this palm and you have to measure the length of the desk. So 6, by using your palms you can get a 6 palms long. The next one, the teacher's table is dash hand spans long. So that is also, it comes a 7 hand spans long. Okay. The next one, my room's length is dash foot spans. That is your homework. Okay. Only this is one is your homework because you have to measure your room's length by using foot span. Okay. Room's length you have to measure by using your foot span. Okay. The next one, length of my pencils is, so that is also your homework, by using palm. Okay. So length of the pencils by using palm. Okay. How much palms long your pencil. Okay. That you have to write here. After that, length of my tie is, that is also you have to use a palms. Okay. The length of my tie is dash palms long. That is also your homework. After that, width of the door is dash cubits long. So this is also your homework. Okay. Next, length of my pencil box. This is also your homework. And height of my chair. So this is also your homework. Okay. By using your hand span, by using your kibbles and by using palms and by using foot span, you have to measure yourself and you have to complete this homework till H. Okay, from C to H you have to complete. That is your today's homework. Okay, so hope so you all understood the measuring length by using our body parts. So see you in the next class. Till then, complete your homework. Okay, take care and thank you. Bye bye.